Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Nestled in the cool hills of Mandeville, this beautifully designed bungalow, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property boasts a homely suburban feel in a traditional home. This property also contains complete 1 bedroom self-contained apartment that presents an income earning opportunity or an alternatively an on-premise guest and helpers quarters. Perfectly situated for a family, the spacious kitchen has authentic wooden finishes complemented by a traditional dining area. This cozy home centers around a quaint living area complete with wooden fixtures and a convenient bonus room which can be used as a den, study, or home office. This residence is also well situated for a home gardening with a backyard of numerous fruits and other trees and an equally spacious front yard, providing an excellent chance for landscaping or horticultural exploits. Found at the heart of a very tranquil community, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to own a perfect Mandeville bungalow. You don't want to miss it. Other features includes fully fenced, central location, easy access to amenity, family oriented, private setting, quiet area, road paved, level lot, and pets are allowed in this area. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $182,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.